What is up, my YouTube friends? Today it is another vlog, and I'm going to be assembling my assault bike. Pretty sure I added it in the title at some point, but I'm going to be assembling it and taking you guys with me to see what I do. So I am going to be showing you guys a workout with it as well at the end. Probably going to film that tomorrow because I already worked out for the day, but you guys will see it obviously in this video. But anyways, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So guys, I figured I'd explain what I'm doing here. So I realized that it is easier to take out the assault bike if you just kind of slide the box off of it. Everything is kind of just nicely packed in there, so nothing will fall out, but I could not get it. I could not like pick it up. It's 100 pounds. I couldn't pick it up just by holding the bike. So I decided to kind of slide it out, and you're gonna see me do that right now. Just know that it's probably better if you have another person helping you. My husband didn't get home till a little bit later, and I was too excited to wait, so that is why you kind of see me here struggling to get this out. But yeah. So guys, I wanted to show you guys what came in like with everything, and it came with the seat. It also came with the monitor, of course, and it did come with some batteries, which I was thankful for because sometimes you don't have batteries at hand, and all of the tools that you will need. So that was pretty awesome. And I'll keep showing you guys what stuff came inside. I did want to show that everything else came assembled, so I didn't have to put all of it together. It was just the accessories, basically. So, yeah. We did it. We finally finished, and we're so excited to be able to use this. It wasn't that hard. If you follow, I'll link the video that we used down below, but this took about like 20 minutes, not that long. So yeah. So guys, we just finished building the assault bike. This is what it looks like. And we already tested it out. That is why I'm out of breath, but it looks really good in here. So I'm excited to incorporate this into my workouts, but I think it should be good. A couple of things I wanted to let you guys know. I'm sorry I didn't film the whole thing of how we, built it. The only reason I did not do that is because there's so many videos online on how to build it. Did not even have to look for the instructions on how to do this. We just watched that video and it pretty much told us everything that we needed to do. So I'm gonna link that right down below so you guys can check it out if you do purchase one. A couple of things as well. The bike, I will link it down below, but I don't know if it is still sold out. It was in a couple of places, but I'm not sure. But I will link this one and the Rogue one. I'm going to work out right now. But yes, let's get on to the workout.